Hello, good morning all. Today we will see Regex and file editor. In this, we will see how to manipulate and search and filter in a file system using Linux commands. Okay, so on Linux, regular expression or regex are pattern used to match character, combining in text. Regular expression are widely used in various Linux command. Okay, and utility for searching and manipulating and filtering the text. Okay, we will go through the couple of commands, common regular expressions. First is searching of string, second is replacing text, third is filtering output, validating input, and last one is extracting data. So we will see one by one these all regular expressions. So let's see. First is search for a string. You can use a grep command with the regular expression to search for a string in a file or directory. We can see the examples of grep command. How can we use grep command for searching with regular expression in a file or directory? Okay, let's see an example of grep command. So grep with the -r option will help us to recursively search in our directories and files. Okay, so that is why we are using r option, and we are specifying a pattern called simple. We are searching in home Amit directory. Okay, so let's hit an enter and get the output. So we are getting the output of this. We can see this file which is present in /home/amit with the name of text.txt. In that there is a line says, hey user, is there any idea that you have explained regex in very simple example? Okay, so simple word is present in the file. Okay, so next is here is a simple word which is present in this file, which is called sorry, it is way too much. Okay, so this is file called .json, which is nb underscore module underscore build underscore attachment underscore travel.json. So this is the Firefox file. In that simple word is present. Okay, so this is how we can search with grep command. Next is replacing text. So how can we replace the text using set command in a file or any directory? Let's see an example of that. So we will use set command to replace globally. First search pattern is simple. Okay, simple, and we are replacing it with complex. Okay, globally. Okay, so where we are going to search in /home amit file called text.txt. In that, okay, so we have seen that the file is line is present with simple word, and we are replacing that simple word with complex command. Okay, so, using set command. So I hit and enter, and we can see the simple word is replaced with complex word. Okay, let's see a next one. The next is filtering output. How can we filter output using grep and awk command in a with a specific patterns? Okay, so we have seen the grep command already in a searching for a string. Okay, so we will see the awk command in this filtering output. So how can we use awk command? I have a file called awk.txt, which we will cat awk.txt. So here is a file called awk.txt, and in that amit is here is a name field, here is a age field, and this is a born place field. Okay, so I have written a line which says, hey there, how are you? So let's use the awk command to get the output. Okay, awk -f forcefully, we are exception is comma, and we will print $1 means field 1 separated with comma, and field 2, field 3 we okay, in a file called awk.txt. Okay, so let's hit and enter and see the output of that file. So here is the output of file, where the second column is not present in the output, only the first and third column is present. This line is exception because it doesn't have any field, it is a whole line. Okay, that is why awk command is printing the whole line. Okay, this is how you can use the awk command, okay, for filtering out any input. So next is validating input and extracting data. So in this we can use awk and set command also. So let's see first awk command and then we will see set command. Okay, so awk -f forcefully with the exception of semicolon, okay, separating file with semicolons, and I am saying that column second has the age above than 23. Okay, and after that, so after filtering that out, print $1 and $2. Okay, because the second column has age limit. Okay, from which file? awk.txt. Okay, so let's see, it gives us the Amit and Aman because they has 25 age and 26 age above than 23. Okay, if I cat the awk.txt file, so we can see here Sumit is also present with his age of 23. Okay, this is how we can validate our output. Okay, next is extracting data. You can use regular expression with Linux commands such as sed and awk to extract specific data from a file or directory. Okay, so let's see an example. Let's create a file scenario where we can do the extract.txt. okay, so we can input the data name. First we will provide the name is Amit Kumbhare. Okay, so the second is my age is 25. Then address is NGPUR Nagpur. Phone number is 0712 998. Then XXX. I am not filling my full number. So next is email ID. Email ID is amitkumbhare@gmail.com. okay, so this is my email ID. So we have created a scenario where I have fulfilled my details and saving the file. So we can use this, so we can extract the specific data we want. Okay, so I am using this command to extract the name field from extract.txt. so let's hit and enter and get the field which we want. So name field is called Amit Kumbhare. Okay, so this is how we can get any field. Okay, so if I hit the age field, so it will give us an output of age. Okay, so this is how you can use the set command. Let's now use the awk command to get the output. So I am finding in /home Amit. Okay, I am finding the name field. Okay, which is star.txt in a file. Okay, so we have created the extract.txt file, so it will be going to search in every .txt file. Okay, so awk command we are using awk -f with the backslash. We are using the pattern of print. We are printing the dollar nf normal field. Okay, so it is printing all the .txt files. Okay, so this command used to find to locate all the files in the directory with the .txt extensions. Okay, so find command will find every txt file which is present in /home/amit. After that we are providing pipe to get that input, get that output awk command as a input. And the awk command what does is the awk command will search for this pattern, like -f option tells awk to use the slash character as a field separator. Okay, and the print $nf command tell awk to print the last field, which is the file name. Okay, so it is printing all the file. If we only find the files, so it will show /home/amit as well as everything. Okay, so we are using awk command to print the last field of /home/amit.txt actions and files, and separated with forward slash, which give us a output. So the next is text editor. There are many text editor available on Linux. Some of most popular ones are VIM. VIM is an advanced and improved version of VI editor. VIM is a very high configurable text editor to enable efficient texting. Okay. The second is Emacs. Emacs is another powerful and highly customizable text editor. It has a lots of features like syntax highlighting, macros, and a powerful scripting language. So I can show you how Emacs can look like. So this is the GI version of Emacs. So here we can choose any file or create a file. I am choosing this file, so we can edit in hello, and so we can save it. So it is saved, and we can cat this file /home amit. Okay, awk command awk.txt. So we can say hello amit is present here. So this is the Emacs. Okay, Emacs editor, which we can install by using apt-get Emacs. The next one is VI editor. VIM editor can install by using apt-get install VIM. Okay, so it is an advanced version of VI. So VI is by default present in any Linux. Okay, so next is Nano editor. Nano is also present by default in every Linux. So we can edit with Nano editor also. Okay, next is G-editor. G-editor is already present in Linux. So okay, so this is the G-editor of Ubuntu. Here we can create and choose open any file or create any file to edit or replace any details in it. Okay, so we are adding here the weight of mine, which is 56 kg. Okay, so I am saving this file. We can cat this /home amit. Okay, extract. So here I have added. Okay, so this is the gedit utility we can use also to edit the files. Okay, the other is Sublime Text Editor and Atom, which can be installed by using third-party repositories from internet. Okay, so we are ending the session here. We will see you in next video. Thank you.